Okay, so you read that title right. Today is my birthday, and for my birthday I'm gonna bake a cake in the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. So in case you're wondering, I was born in 1991. That's when I was born. I lived through Y2K, 9/11, a lot of other traumatic events, and I'd imagine that explains this a little better. Anyway, I've got the Pit Boss set at 250, but up here on the dome it's like 275. That's where I'm starting. I don't want to burn it, and here we go. Check this out. Okay, so for my birthday cake, we're doing Betty Crocker's butter pecan. It's got instructions down here. Bake time 28 to 33 minutes. We're just going to follow these instructions, get the cake batter together. I'm going to put it in this 13 by 9 pan. Let's get it blended up. Pretty easy. You don't need to watch every little bit of it, right? You get it mixed up. Dump it into your 13 by 9. I sprayed some oil in there. And that's all there is to it. We're going to get this thing out to the smoker. Okay, so I did go ahead and bump it up to 300. I want to get this up to 300, 325, something like that. I just don't want to burn it. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in there. Up on the top shelf. And we will check it probably 10-15 minutes, make sure we're not frying it. I am using applewood pellets today. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I came out to check it, and the temp up here hit up to 400. So I opened the lid, I turned my temp back down to 250. We don't want to cook it too fast. We just want to bake it and get it baked just right. So okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Looks like we got it down to 350. Let's just look at it real quick. It's looking pretty good. Maybe a little done over there, but all in all, the instruction said 28 to 33 minutes. Okay, we'll check back at about 28 minutes. It did drop below 300. So let's give it a look. Okay, doesn't quite look done. We'll give it a little bit of a toothpick. Yeah, it's still wet, so we're going to give it a few more minutes. Okay, so for 3 minutes I turned it up to 300, and then it climbed up over 300, and I backed it down to 250. It's still climbing. We're going to open it up and check it out. Okay, it's looking good. It's not browning up quite yet, so we'll let it go a couple more minutes, and we'll stick another toothpick in it. 34 minutes. Let's see, we're going to stick the toothpick in it. Still coming out wet. So I'm gonna let it go. Okay, it's been about 39, 40 minutes. I've been playing with this. When I closed the lid, I turned it up to 300 again. Waited till this got to 350, backed it to 250, and it's been 350, 375 for the last few minutes. So that's the drawback of not having a glass to look in at it, and also, you know, the instructions didn't say anything about putting it in your smoker. Okay, it's getting a little more done. Oh, we're about there. I think a few more minutes. Every time I close the lid, I turn it up to 300, let the temp come back up here. Then I shut it back to 250 when it starts getting a little bit towards the 350. It's been 43 minutes. It's looking like it's done. Yeah, it's coming out dry. Just afraid to take it off too early. Let's give it one more minute. Okay, 44 minutes. Playing with the temperature. Oh yeah, I think we're done. It looks good. Looks very good. Besides that, I need to get the ribs on for the birthday dinner. Alright, so there you go. I'll put some frosting on it, maybe take another picture so you can see it, but all in all I think it's a success. Birthday cake on the Pit Boss. For the frosting we're just using the cream cheese at Betty Crocker. Here's the best thing, you take that little metal foil cap off, just microwave it for about 20 seconds, get it nice and softened up like this. Makes it way easier. And I can actually just dump this right on top. Otherwise, when you try to spread it and it tears your cake. Anyway, there it is, icing on the cake. Yeah, buddy.
Singing happy birthday to you. Singing happy birthday to you.
Okay, so there's the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. We just did my birthday cake in it. It turned out great. A little cooked on the edges, but not bad at all. Man, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope it gives you some ideas and some encouragement to do your own birthday cake. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. You know the drill. We'll see you on the next video.
Singing